Hi students, today we will see types of sections. It is one important topic in machine drawing. Let us see one by one. Full section. These are the diagrams. Next one is half section. These are the diagrams. Next one is offset section. These are the diagrams. Next one is local section or broken section or partial section. These are the diagrams. Next one is thin section. These are the diagrams. Next one is removed section. This is the diagram. Final one is revolved section. These are the diagrams. First section is full section. Here there are two diagrams. In first diagram, left side diagram is here cutting plane passes through the center of object. Here the cutting plane is in rectangle shape. This cutting plane is an imaginary plane which passes from one end to another end, which touches all the points and passes through the midpoint of object. Then the right side diagram shows the sectional front view and top view. Here the section is mentioned by A. In front view we are given hatching lines. The surfaces which are touched by the cutting plane is mentioned by the hatching lines or section lines. It always 45-degree inclined to the axis of object. Generally the angle of hatching lines is 45-degree. If suppose the object is made up of one or two material, means we have to distinguish the two materials by the hatching lines, either by angle or direction. For first material we will give 45-degree, means the next material we have to provide another angle, either 60 or 30, or otherwise for first material we have to draw hatching lines in the left hand side, means for another material we have to draw hatching lines in opposite direction. So full section is the section in which the cutting plane passes from one end to another end through the center point of object. So let us move to half section. In this section the cutting plane does not move from one end to another end. It travels from one end to center point of object and it removes only quarter portion of object. So finally we will get one half sectional front view and top view. Here the hatching line should be drawn where the cutting plane passes through the object only. So next of object should not be mentioned by hatching lines. So in the second diagram we will mention by hatching lines in the left portion only. The right portion of object should not be mentioned by hatching line. So next we will move to third section, which is offset section. In offset section, the cutting plane is not only passed through the center point of object, but also it touches some holes and drills which is placed some distance offset from the center. So the cutting plane passes through the drills which are placed certain distance from the center point of object also. So it is called as offset section. In first diagram, the cutting plane shows it passes through the drills which are placed in left hand and right hand also. And also the cutting plane passes through the center point also. So in the second diagram, the front portion of diagram will be removed from the section. In the third diagram, the sectional front view and top view will be given. In the top view, the cutting plane will be mentioned by AA. Next we will move to fourth section. In thin section, only a certain portion of object will be highlighted by hatching lines. In some assembly objects, we have to mention any special process like thread cutting operations, countersink operations. We have to mention the particular area where the particular operations are performed. We have to highlight the particular areas by hatching lines. This section is known as local section. Next section is thin section. We will look a sheet metal or a washer. The thickness of the sheet metal and washer will be very less as compared with other objects. So if any washer or sheet metal present in an assembly section, while sectioning the particular objects, we could not able to create or get section lines to the particular objects. So we have to give a dark thin lines to the particular sections instead of hatching lines. So for thin sections, we have to provide a thin dark film to the particular tiny elements like washer or sheet metal. Next section is removed section. In removed section, the section will be highlighted from the object. Here the cutting plane will passes across the axis of object. In this slide, a connecting rod will be given. The section AA and BB will passes across to the axis of cutting plane. So the section which will be obtained by passing cutting plane across the axis of object will be projected separately from the object. This section will be known as removed section. In revolved section, the highlighted section will not be separated from the object. The section which will be obtained by passing the cutting plane across the axis of object will be projected in the object itself is known as revolved section. But the section will be obtained by passing the cutting plane across the axis of object will be revolved through 90 degree. So this section will be called as revolved section. These are the different types of sections. Thank you. Hi, this is Ramar for Majestic Mechanic channel. If you like my video, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, this is Ramar for Majestic Mechanic channel. If you like my video, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you.